dumpster rental service in Suffolk, Virginia. If you're in need of dumpster rental in Suffolk, Virginia, Junk Crushers LLC is your go-to source for reliable and affordable waste removal services. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, decluttering your property, or working on a construction site, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. At Junk Crushers LLC, we prioritize customer satisfaction by providing hassle-free service. We offer flexible rental periods, prompt delivery, and efficient pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste disposal. Our dumpsters are suitable for both residential and commercial projects, handling everything from small cleanouts to large-scale construction debris. Our team is dedicated to making the dumpster rental process as smooth as possible. We help you select the right dumpster for your job, ensuring it's the perfect size and capacity to handle your waste. We're committed to making your experience easy and affordable, ensuring that the right dumpster is delivered to your location on time. Need a dumpster fast? Call Junk Crushers LLC at 757-305-7504, and we'll arrange quick delivery to your Suffolk location. Trust us for all your dumpster rental needs, and let us help you make your cleanup project easier and more efficient.